What does family mean to me?
Well, family is caring and loving and understanding and helping and being there for each other.
Family means to me people you can count on, people that have your back no matter what.
To me, it's everything. It's the basis for life in general, is to have a family.
Well, family to me is the most important thing that I have.
You know, everybody wants their kids to have maybe what they didn't have when they were younger and growing up, and you just try to provide the best life for them you can.
What is it to be a part of the Auto Plaza family? A sense of pride. You get a good sense of pride just being a part of this team, because it really is a team around here. I mean, everybody has each other's back.
The thing that draws most attention to the Auto Plaza Group is how we love to get involved in our communities. And as we expand into our new communities, we don't want to just be another business in the community. We are very involved, and we look forward to that.
The community here definitely affects our day-to-day business. I mean, without them, we wouldn't be here. It's all about what everybody perceives you as, because the word travels so fast. So it's great to work for an organization that contributes to a little bit of everything.
We look at it as one big family base. Our employees are very important to us, and we hope that we're important to our employees. And on the flip side of that, our customers are the most important part of our business.
Family means everything to me. It's more important than anything. That's what's good about this company. It's kind of like your second family.